Hey everybody, welcome to another delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. And today I have with me a very special guest. Go ahead and tell them who you are, beautiful.
Hi guys, I am Chef Bate, a chef here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
And we have the pleasure of having her on today to show us how she makes her famous jambalaya, baby. I cannot wait to get taken down to the South with this meal right here. So go ahead and explain to us, what is the beginning? How do you build this amazing dish?
So first we want to start off with our base, and that is going to be our rice, 1 cup of rice. And then I have a couple herbs and seasonings here that I also incorporate into the rice while it is cooking. Also, we also add some shrimp and andouille sausage that we don't have presented here, but that's what you will add at the end on top of this rice.
Now, quick question.
Yes.
Can you use any kind of rice? Do you have a specific rice that you like to use or that you should use when preparing jambalaya?
Yes. So I recommend parboiled rice.
Hard boiled rice.
Parboiled.
Ooh.
Parboiled. Anyone
Hard
that knows
boiled.
what that is, you go in the store, ask around.
Y'all, we gonna make sure we write that for you guys.
Yes, we're
Because
gonna add that in there.
because you see jasmine, you see
Yes,
things like
yes,
that.
yes.
So that is something
Mhm.
that you want to make sure that you're getting correct. So you're
Yes.
getting that correct texture
Taste.
with your jambalaya.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
so now you've got your rice cooking, like you said, with all your seasonings, and like you said, these are the seasonings that you like to use. And can you one more time just show them what the seasonings are that you want to be cooking with your rice, correct?
Of course, yes. So we have, of course, our Tony's Creole seasoning.
Yes, I like this one. I use this one
Yes,
myself. Yeah.
yes. Number one, Old Bay, of course.
And you can put that on
Another one.
anything, baby.
Yes, especially if you want to spice it up, Cajun it up. We have smoked paprika here also. Also, we have cayenne pepper. We also have garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and onion powder. And also, we will also add some dehydrated bell peppers, but as of right now, we don't have any more. But yes, add that to the recipe.
Absolutely. And now, can I ask, do you have this blend that people can, maybe get ordered from you possibly if they would like? Can they reach out to you for that?
Yes, of course. So I am going to be dropping my seasoning line soon, guys. I'm going to have her link my website so you guys can stay posted on that. And yeah, I will have a blend.
Yeah, because this right here, we're going to need this in just one little swoop. So we definitely want to get those pre-orders started on this seasoning blend. Definitely.
Of course.
So now again, so we've added our fabulous seasoning. Our rice has been cooked. What do we need to do next?
Next, you would allow the rice and everything to cook through with all the seasonings in there. And then during that time, you will season your shrimp with the same blend. Okay, the same blend, nothing too fancy. And you will saute the shrimp, and you will then saute the sausage. And that's what you would add on top or when your rice is done cooking.
Now, can I ask you, when you saute your shrimp, do you prefer olive oil, butter? What do you saute your shrimp in, and for how long?
Okay. So I prefer olive oil, and I saute each shrimp on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now our shrimp is sauteed, like you said, with that same seasoning blend that we use for our rice. Now what do?
Now, like I said, you allow the seasonings and everything. Once the rice is done, you will add those shrimp and those andouille sausage into the rice and just mix it up. Add your parsley for your presentation wise, and yeah, that's it. It's that simple.
Absolutely. So let's show them, if you don't mind, what
Of
it
course.
looks like once you have done all this cooking. You've let all these flavors build and base up together. Can you show us what it all looks like once you put it together?
Of course, guys.
So now that we have added those beautiful andouille sausages, those very nicely cooked sauteed shrimp, and what does it look like when we added it to that nicely seasoned rice? Can you show us what that final project looks like?
Yes. Here we are, guys. This is our final product.
And can you share real quick that andouille sausages, because they just have that really beautiful, nice, crispy looking texture. How do you prepare your sausages?
Yes, so that's why you will use the olive oil, guys, to saute the sausages so that it can crisp up really well.
Absolutely. And then what are these little pretty babies right here?
So right here, we are pairing it with some Cajun fried shrimp because, I mean, what's jambalaya without fried shrimp?
Absolutely. Now I got a trick question for you. As we go ahead, can we plate this? Can we give this a try real quick? Now, as you go ahead if you don't mind, plating some of that. What makes the difference between Cajun and Creole?
Okay, so that's easy. Cajun basically has everything to do with the herbs and the spices of the dish. And to make something Creole simply means to add tomatoes or a tomato-based roux.
There you go, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. That smells so amazing. You can really smell all that Cajun seasoning, and you really, that rice, it just looks so pretty with that coloring. And that comes with that type of rice that you use, the parboiled rice. It gives it that real like dirty rice kind of a color.
Exactly. And this is the same exact rice you would use for dirty rice.
Oh, wow. Yes. Absolutely. Oh, this looks fantastic. And these shrimp are just so beautiful.
Yes.
If I can just show you guys how beautiful those shrimp look right there. That is just beautiful. And that sausage is just crisped up so nicely. Now, what do you batter these shrimp in right here? What's on that batter?
Typically, a seasoning mix of half cornmeal. Well, actually, I'm lying. 1/3 of cornmeal, and then 3/4 cup of flour.
So cornmeal and flour. Yes. You want to dip those in. Absolutely fabulous. Yes. Oh my gosh. We go ahead and dive into that. Can I grab one of these?
Of course.
Oh, have as many as you like. Look how beautiful. That's GBD, baby. Golden brown and delicious. And she gave me a nice little healthy helping of that, baby. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. That crust on there. Perfect. Oh baby, this is good eats right here. This is good eats. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It has a nice little, like I said, that Cajun seasoning because it's not spicy. Yes. But you get that nice little heat that you're looking for.
Yes.
It's not overpowering anything else. That shrimp, it's fried to perfection because it's not dry. Once I'm biting into it, the sauteed shrimp is absolutely perfect. It's not like rubbery, you know, when you get that overcooked shrimp.
Yeah, that's why.
And that rice is just so soft and just, you can really taste that flavor, that seasoning. Some people forget to season that rice.
That is correct.
And girl, it ain't the same. This is amazing. So
thank you.
How can people follow you? Can they get an order of this? Do you deliver? Because I need me a plate of this.
Of course. Excuse me, guys. But Yes. Yes, you can get a pan of this. You will simply DM me on my Instagram, quickbait.lv. You will put in a order, any size. I will give you a menu of those different sizes that I offer, and we can do some price arrangements. And yes, I do deliver, guys.
Now you don't just do savory meals. You also do desserts.
Yes.
What kind of desserts do you do?
So I do cupcakes, Palmer. Also, I do something called New Orleans praline and pecan candy. Also, a New Orleans style butter cake, which we call ooey gooey. And we will be sharing recipes soon on that. So yeah,
you got all the goods, girl.
Yeah.
I'm just over here demolishing all of
Thank
this.
you.
This was delicious. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your recipe. And then can I ask you too, how did you get started cooking? What inspired you to start doing this?
Well, being an older sister, you know, you have to learn things really quick. So that's one of the things I picked up really fast because I want to eat.
Right.
We got to eat. So
that's right.
Yeah, so that's what got me started with it. But also I come from a family of cooks. I believe everybody in the South could cook though. Honestly, let's be real.
That's in your blood.
Yeah, exactly. So it wasn't a shocker, but also I do enjoy cooking. I do enjoy catering to people because I am an older sister, and that's what I, did throughout life, So it's just natural to me, and I've always worked in a lot of work to provide those type of services for people.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love that. She likes to cook with love and she likes to serve with love, just like we like to do right here on Cooking with Gracie Love. Again, I am so thankful that you came and shared this amazing recipe with us.
Welcome.
Again, one more time, tell them how they can contact you and get some of this amazing, amazing jambalaya.
Yes, you guys will contact me on Instagram at quickbait.lv. And just go ahead and hit me up in my DMs, guys.
Go ahead, get that started. And baby, we're going to bottle up this seasoning because, baby, that is fabulous.
Thank you.
That is delicious.
Thank
Absolutely. You guys, it's been another delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. We're going to go ahead and finish this up right here and hide it from the kids. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and don't forget to go ahead and make sure you're subscribed, liking, commenting Cooking with Gracie Love on YouTube. Make sure you get your copy of the cookbook on Amazon, Quick Fix Meals, and check out the video for Our Bodies. We'll see you later, baby. This is delicious right here, y'all.